Good afternoon, everyone. I'm heading out to the Pacific Airshow today with my friend Shannon, and we're going to try and get a few shots of, well, the event itself. Not so much tight shots of the aircraft because I've done a lot of that over the past 2 days and I'm just a bit bored of it. There's about 200 other people doing exactly the same thing and it's just personally not that challenging. I'm much more interested in the photojournalistic / documentary / street side of it. So yeah, heading off to do that. In terms of the YouTube video itself, I'm just trying to improve on quite a few things from the last one, including making this about 10 minutes. I think it'll probably end up being a bit over that, but close to 10 minutes and I'll be really happy. And also just keeping the volume a little bit nicer. I'm also trying to incorporate a bit more ambient noise so that it feels a bit more immersive, and yeah, I'm doing that by actually shooting this all on the iPhone instead of through the camera. So let's jump into it and yeah, I'll show you how we go. All right, so down in Surfers Paradise again today, and the Pacific Airshow is on, so we've got about 20 times the amount of people there normally are, which should make for some rich pickings in terms of street photography. However, it may simply be too busy, so it could be a challenge in that way as well, but we'll see how we go, and we should have something very different in terms of the people we actually see today and the people I managed to capture. So it's a unique opportunity. So despite the risk of it being really, really busy and possibly hard to pick out subjects, I thought I'd give it a try anyway. So here we go. I'm gonna head down towards Cavill Avenue and have a go at the real epicenter of the crowd today. Hard job being on a scooter getting through these crowds today. That should be worth a few snaps. One thing I've actually learned from a bit of reading about street photography, I think it was the Street Photography Manual published by Thames and Hudson. Not sure who actually wrote it, unfortunately. It's been a while, but one of the things they mentioned about doing street photography in such large events is some of your best options are actually going to be on the edges of the crowd. So start from the edges, and if there's something interesting in the epicenter, work your way in. But yeah, I'm going to sort of head around the perimeter a bit today and see what we can do. Although I am meeting up with my friend Shannon, who does a lot of street as well, and they're right in the epicenter at the moment. So I might actually go there first, and then I'll head back out to the perimeter. I'll suggest that to them and see what they think. As expected, it is insanely busy. And yeah, the real challenge will be finding some sort of unique characters, because I know everyone just sort of looks like a tourist today, which is perfectly understandable. But there are some more interesting people around, so the trick is just spotting them and saving your shots so you don't have so much to edit through later. But I think Shannon's down here and then to the left on the beach, so we'll head down there and yeah, see how long it takes to find them, because it could be a bit of a task, could be a bit of a journey today. Okay, so yeah, a lot of very close shots today. I just had a bit of an idea. Might do a fun little hats of the air show sort of collection, because there's a lot of cool hats out. Apologies for the audio quality. Yep, absolute madness. Took me about 10 minutes just to get through the crowd onto the front of the beach. But yeah, apparently Shannon is around here somewhere, so don't know how long it'll take to find her, but yeah, let's see. So many cameras around today, most of them not pointed at people though. I've already spent 2 days doing that though, so today's the day for doing a bit more street. Finally made it down, found Shannon, woo! And Michael. Hello Michael. So yeah, sun behind us now, so slightly clearer shots. Still not as many clouds as on Friday, which I quite liked, but it's still good. There'll be enough cloud made by the planes themselves later today, so that's something to work with. Chan's got a 70 to 200 today, so getting a bit closer than usual. Today I'm going all the way back to a 24 to 70 because I'm just a bit bored of taking photos of planes with the 150 to 600, so yeah, making a bit more of an event coverage day and hats day, as I said before. So yeah, underexposed by a stop or so to make sure I don't clip any highlights, and yeah, we'll go with that. I'll show you some photos as we get through the day. Might head back early, just depending on how difficult I'm finding this, but in any event I'll show you a little bit of what we get. Besides the hats, actually, there's a lot of people wearing great shoes. So, top and tail, head and toes sort of thing today, maybe. Maybe we can have one album for hats, one album for shoes and feet. Oh, stunt planes are back on. It's so easy to get street shots when everyone is just fixated on that. it's just about done. F-18 is currently flying around somewhere over there, but just gonna head back early just to try and beat all of the tram traffic. Thanks for watching this far, everyone. That's a wrap on this one. I think it's so much better than the last one that I did in terms of actually aligning it with the style of video that I want to do. Around about 10 minutes is sort of my standard that I'll be going for this kind of street walkabout session, or really for any point of view sort of video. So yeah, apart from the volume and the length of the video, I also want to start putting some more high quality B-roll in these ones. That might be something just for when I'm in a place that's a bit more conducive to high quality B-roll, perhaps when I go on a bushwalk in the rainforest or something like that. Street sessions, I might look for some, I don't know, I like anything with water. I'll find some B-roll for water when I'm in Surfer's Paradise next. But yeah, that's all told now, and I'll move on to the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone.